Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Shomu's Biology. This is a video where we talk about microbiology ka band bajana hai basically. Top 3 reasons not to choose microbiology as a career option in India. I am from microbiology background and I think I'm in the right position to tell you whether you choose microbiology as a career option in India in 2025 onwards or not. Although microbiology seems a promising field in India, and we have discussed about the 3 benefits of choosing microbiology as a career option in India. You can watch that video and then come back and watch this video to know both sides of the coin. So let's start with the 3 reasons not to choose microbiology as a career option in India. The very first reason is limited high paying job opportunities in India. After microbiology graduation, you can hardly get a job. After microbiology masters, you can get a job, but the salary will be very low. The average salary for a microbiology postgraduate is 3 lakh to 5 lakh per annum. Just consider, compared to the IT counterparts, it's much low. It's not likely that the initial salary for the freshers are low. No. Even after you get with some experience of 2 years, 3 years experience, the salary will increase a little bit. 6 lakh an annum is hardly what you get even after 7-8 years of experience in most of the cases. I know people will come with some exceptions, but exceptions are rare. That's why they are exceptions. So higher earning requirement requires advanced skills and specializations. So you need to have joint skills like bioinformatics, understanding data science or engineering background along with the biotechnology or microbiology to get the higher salaries, which very few people have. Now, the research and development positions, R&D positions in pharma companies provide good salary, but most of the time they demand PhD and postdoc candidates for those positions. And the competition is very high in the R&D, where it's easy to get quality control, quality analyst and sales representative jobs. Between the quality control analyst and sales representative is paid the most, but it requires very less of your subjective skills and more of a sales skills. Okay. Next is better paying microbiology jobs are mostly present in US, UK and Canada, and in that case you need to be willing to get out of India and get there and be ready to continue your next 10 or 20 years of life outside of India. That is something that you should put in your mind at the very beginning, because in India, not only as a fresher you get less salary, but also the career growth is very slow. And that comes to the second point, and the second point is the career growth is slow and it depends on the higher studies. The career growth is slow, particularly in the academia. Now, but in the industrial sector, the job is limited and the salary is low. In academia, the salary is decent. I will not say very good. It's okay, okayish, but the career growth is very slow. You need to do your graduation, you need to do your masters, then PhD, then you get into as an assistant professor position after qualifying lectureship, CSIR NET examination. So after just BSc, no chance. After MSc, very limited options. Private colleges and institutes may allow you, and there will be tech companies that will allow you, but there is no guarantee, and very stressful jobs, in mostly corporate based jobs, those are stressful, and the industry based jobs are very limited in India still at this moment. Unlike IT or business fields, the career growth is not fast, it is slow growth, because obviously think of 4 years degree program, then 2 years MSc program, 6 years, then PhD another 7 years, 6-7 years. So 12 to 13 years, then you'll get some chance, then you still have competition, you'll get to qualify an exam, sit for the interview, then selected, then get into the job. So it will be you'll be aged approximately 30, above 30 to get a decent salary, 30 to 34 as a decent salary to get in there. That's the big problem. And the third reason not to choose microbiology as a career option in India is that there are fewer private sector job opportunities in microbiology field compared to the biotechnology field. In biotech and pharma field, there are more opportunity, I believe, although microbiology field is increasing because the diagnostic technology is increasing, but diagnostics are mostly moving towards AI based approach, and they are moving towards mostly automated base, where anyone can operate that machine with some algorithm, basic algorithm that is being set. So you don't need experts to handle them. So that is why I will not count that diagnostic industry, which is growing huge in India, but I will not count them. So beyond that, it has less opportunity compared to the BTech, like the biotech as well as the pharma field. But the next is the private companies prefer biotechnologists over microbiologists in the role of drug development, vaccine research and genetic engineering. All the microbiologists are well equipped with the vaccine, understanding of vaccine, but biotechnologists are kind of what we can say, sarvagun sampanna compared to in the eyes of the pharma companies. Basically they always look for biotechs, not for the microbiome. I don't understand why this happens, but it always happens. So anybody says that microbiology is better than biotechnology in terms of hiring process? No. From hiring agencies point of view, I don't know the reason. Even though you're pharma, you are trying to hire someone for vaccine development, you prefer biotech over microbiome. I don't know the reason, but it is the truth. And the microbiology startups in India are still at the very early stages, and most of them are waiting for funding. Private funding is a long way to go. Generally they are being funded by government bodies, but most of the time they don't work out to pay off in the future. So biotech in AI is something that is involved, where in microbiology we need this integration to happen for the future run of microbiology in India, right? So waste management is something that I personally believe that upcoming 10-20 years, the waste management is a way to grow microbiology field in India. The waste management can be agricultural waste management, which is a huge concern, climatic concern as well, because that actually causes a huge air pollution. Next thing is the hospital, that is the biohazard, the organic waste management. Both are something that is important. And actually I myself also I'm thinking about this waste management as something to dig in as a business idea for the future times to come. And I think we need to work seriously, because there is a serious market gap in India right now in the waste management, both in agricultural field as well as in the field of organic waste management and bio waste management. So what is the final verdict, the final thought about whether you should choose microbiology as a career option in India in 2025 or not? The answer is that if you are looking for a very fast growing career and a career with high paying job opportunities, then microbiology is not something that we would suggest. But if you're passionate about research, disease diagnosis and microbiome studies, if you have that scientific temperament to work day and night for the research purpose, and research is something that's driving you and make you happy, then microbiology is field to go with. And if you are working with microbiology, you should be ready to relocate outside of India, because most of the opportunities will come from outside of India. So that is something that I should say. But if you want to decide, please watch my video on top 3 reasons to choose microbiology as a career option in India as well, because that is also equally important. After watching both the videos, then you can reach to the conclusion. So I believe that this particular video is helping you out to understand why you should not choose microbiology or choose microbiology. If you like the video, like it. If you don't like this video, dislike it. And also mention in the comment what do you think about the microbiology career in India in 2025. All the best. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.